Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through a quick and easy way to check upcoming birthdays on Facebook using the mobile app. Whether you want to plan ahead for your friends' special days or simply avoid forgetting an important birthday, these steps will help you stay organized. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu icon. Tap on it. Now that you're in the menu section, scroll down until you see the option labeled Birthdays. This section is dedicated to showing all the birthdays of your Facebook friends. Tap on it to proceed. Once you've opened the Birthdays section, you'll find a detailed list of birthdays sorted into categories. At the top, you'll see today's birthdays. These are friends celebrating their special day right now. Below that, you'll find recent birthdays, in case you missed anyone, followed by upcoming birthdays so you can plan ahead. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can easily view all your friends' birthdays in one place. It's a great way to stay connected and make sure no one feels forgotten on their big day. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. See you next time.